Так, всем привет. Коротенькое видео мне хочу
Tell,
рассказать, показать,
show what happened to
что
my
случилось с
cable.
моим кабелем. Вот. Вот
You
он,
see,
как
how
бы страшно,
terrible. It's all
очень дико,
sticky. It's all, how can I say?
так сказать мне. Вот так
This
вот.
is how it looks in short. It all
Выглядит.
dissolves
Короче,
before
это
our
всё
eyes.
растворяется на глазах прям каждый день. Блять, вот отсюда уходит, все идет, 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 идет.
It all dissolves.
Так,
Since
как
Apple
он
makes its
делает
cables, I don't know. Maybe the iPhone does the same. The insides are made of recyclable materials,
из перерабатываемых материалов.
so they just melt before our eyes. This shell, well, really, how old is this cable? Probably almost 2 years old. Original cable.
Кабель, провод, зарядка, короче, вот эти USB-шные лайты. У меня
There was a figurine like this. This is how it's assembled 2 cables. In total 2 pieces.
вот два кабеля, короче, две штуки. Кабель обжимаю. Это так и еще. Вот такая вот.
In short, and the battery clamps all this like this, and you get this monograph.
Монография.
In short, this is all crap too. It might, I don't know, work.
Будет работать, когда еще, сейчас покажу другую сторону этого провода.
When it's all like this, all so good. Everything is solid.
Хорошее.
It doesn't decompose yet, and this end it,
Разлагается, да. А этот конец, он как туда-сюда, ну раз в день я планшет заряжаю, телефон.
constantly charge the phone on the table. Only with a tablet, in principle, all Chinese analogs are like that.
Так как китайские аналоги
They don't let a lot of current through it. Here it lets through more than 2, well, 2 and 2 amperes somewhere. This is immediately if, for example, the tablet's battery is less than 10%, there are 5, or he turned it off altogether with first hit with high currents to recharge faster, and then as the capacity accumulates, the voltage drops accordingly, that is, the voltage,
то есть напряжение, ток падает, и
and little by little, so to speak, trickle charging charges up to 100%. So many advise here I heard so as to.
многие советуют, вот я слышал, дабы
Take care of the battery, since it still has a limited number of charge-discharge cycles, that is, charge.
заряд, то есть заряд.
Discharge and charge is one cycle. That's how much is in a battery, in my opinion, 1,000 or so, or 800 cycles of these charge, discharge, discharge, charge.
Или разряд, точно не помню. Так вот, чтобы, так сказать,
Say take care of your battery, be it a smartphone, tablet.
будь то смартфон, планшет, ноутбук, так как в ноутбуках тоже стоят сборки.
With third bank's voltage, also 3 symbols do not charge to 100%, charge to 90.
До 100%. Зарядите до 90.
The difference is also the city, not my statement. This is also the services I heard how I leave.
Я, как выведу? Я не буду использовать никакие вот эти штуки. Хотя покупал, думал, помогут бы. Но уже когда...
When this happened, it had already begun. At first it was not so sticky, just pieces were falling off. Rubber bands like this. And then, while I did it like this, blue electrical tape rules, as always. I'll do it like this for now. And then we'll see if anything happens.
произойдет.
Basically, I have. Analog's 1 ampere in my opinion, or 1 and 2 mags charge maximum.
Заряжает. Так. Вот, в принципе, все. Вот это вот. Ну, на свой счет. Ну,
It looks beautiful. Maybe I'll put it even cleaner.
Сюда
so that it is on this side. In my opinion, this is all crap. They also made this up. Well, I've kept you too long already. That's it. Thanks for watching. That's it, bye.